this is actually critical. You know, there's a couple of things that came up that I really like. There's the tenacity to just keep going, being clear on what exactly is it that I'm stuck on. It's not like, oh, trading is too hard, I'll never get it done. Oh, you know, it's not that. There's one line of code that I just can't get working right now. Which line is it specifically? Because when you get your problems down to a specific level, then you can ask the question, then you get unstuck and you keep moving. The trouble is when we're early in our trading journey, there's so much that we don't understand that it's very easy to let ourselves get overwhelmed or to, you know, convince ourselves that we're dumb or we just can't do it, or I just can't code, I just can't do this. But you can. It's just a matter of just plodding through and just identifying which one thing right now you're stuck on. Yeah. The people who have the most success identify those things, ask the question, listen carefully to the response, clarify if they don't understand, and then move forward. It's the semicolon at the end of the code line. You know, that's the analogy. It's like one simple thing. And if you miss it, it doesn't work. Right? So we have to be precise and particular in our trading. But we also, on the other hand, can't afford to be caught up in being a perfectionist. Being precise means, you know, reading and understanding, reproducing exactly, asking a clear question so that we can get unstuck. But being a perfectionist is getting every single thing perfect before you take any action at all. That's a losing path because it takes years to get to the point where you'll be willing to pull the trigger, if ever.